Welcome. In this video, we will show you the steps to submit a scientific article through the OJS platform. Previously, you must first download the manuscript template and publication consent form from the manuscript template menu. First, if the article manuscript and publication consent form are ready, log into your OJS account by clicking Login. Then, fill in the username and password of your OJS account that you previously created, and press the Login button. After you log into your OJS account, click the New Submission button. This will take you to the first step of the 5-step article submission process. Here, check all the boxes on the submission checklist to make sure you have met all the requirements. If you have any comments for the editor, please add them in the field provided. Then check the privacy statement box. After that, click Save and Continue to proceed to the next step. In this step, you will upload your article file and publication consent form. First, click the Add File button and then select your article file to be uploaded. In the What kind of file is this section, select Article Text. Do the same steps for the publication consent form, but in the What kind of file is this section, select Other. After all files have been successfully uploaded, click Save and Continue to proceed to the next step. In this step, you are asked to fill in important information about your article. Enter the article title, abstract, and add other contributors if any, such as co-authors. To add a contributor, click Add Contributor, fill in the required information, and then click Save. You can also add keywords by typing a word or phrase, then pressing the Enter key. Once all the information is filled in, click Save and Continue. Before you complete your submission, you will see a summary of all the information you have entered. Double-check to make sure everything is correct. Once you are sure, click Finish Submission, then confirm by clicking OK on the pop-up that appears. Congratulations! Your article has been successfully submitted. The journal editor will receive a notification about your submission. You can view the status of your article on the dashboard by clicking Return to your dashboard, which will show that the article is in the submission stage. Over time, this status will change according to the review, copy editing, and production processes until it is finally published.